Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to cancel GoHighLevel. So step one, if you land on this page and you see no payment method added in order to remove it or cancel your account, don't worry. The problem is from here. First, you need to switch back from your sub account to your agency account. So click on switch to agency view, and then click on settings from here, and then click on billing. And this time you will see your current plan. In my case, it's just the trial plan. So now to cancel this trial, it's simple. Click on want to modify, cancel your subscription from here. This window will pop up. Click on show more, and then select cancel plan. Here, select an option, for example, missing feature. Click on next. Here, they still try to compare GoHighLevel to other services. Scroll down and click on I still want to cancel. And then select again, I still want to cancel. Here, they try to give you a discount, 15% off for 3 months. Click on I still cancel. I still want to cancel. And here, we're sorry to see you go. I'm sure I want to cancel. And here, let them know your feedback. For example, the price was too high for me, and keep repeating this sentence to get the submit button active. Click on it. Here, fill in your account password. In my case, it is also already saved, and then click on cancel subscription. Your subscription has been successfully cancelled. All your account and sub-account users no longer have access to the platform. All your data will be permanently deleted. If this is a mistake and you wish to reactivate, please reach out to billing support. Click on logout. And this is how to cancel GoHighLevel. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.